Hey there guys, this is Anthony from the Sound Factory. Just want to emphasize the importance of proper amplifier setup. When we do an amplifier, we use an oscilloscope. If you're using a multi-band equalizer, we'll use a real-time analyzer to adjust the EQ. We use the oscilloscope on every system that we do that has an amplifier. We'll find the maximum output of this radio, maximum output of this amplifier, so they work in unison and we get the most out of these products. We can see right here what we have on our little marine display. We just have some tower speakers and a small subwoofer underneath. This is an Alpine 400 watt 4-channel running the whole thing in 3-channel mode. We're going to see how loud we can get it crystal clear. As you can see from the dB meter, that is no small feat for a 400 watt amplifier and 3 speakers. And believe me, that is crystal clear, no distortion. Come in, take a look, take a listen. You can decide for yourself how it's done the right way.